Hello students. Now we'll be moving on to our discussion about the phylum Platyhelminthes, that are the flatworms of the kingdom Animalia. In this part, we'll be discussing about all the general characters that are present in this phylum. So let's start. So the next phylum for our discussion in the kingdom Animalia will be phylum Platyhelminthes, which are majorly the flatworms. Flatworms are triploblastic bilaterally symmetrical animals. Anterior and posterior parts are distinctly clear in these animals, and on the anterior part a distinct head is present, which is known as the cephalization. Means a distinct head, the presence of a distinct head starts from this phylum. The locomotory organs are absent in these animals, but adhesive organs like suckers and hooks are present. These adhesive organs helps these animals to cling onto their host. On the body wall of these animals, a thick cuticle is present, which is known as the tegument, and they have an epidermis, a layer of epidermis surrounds these cells, which is syncytial, means multinucleated, and sometimes it is ciliated. This tegument is secreted by the epidermis part, and it is a very thick cuticle, so it protects this parasite from the digestive enzymes of the host. The Platyhelminthes or flatworms are acoelomate animals. So the Platyhelminthes forms the largest phylum among the acoelomates. In between various organs there is a loose mesodermal tissue which is known as the mesenchyma or parenchyma, and circulatory and skeletal system are absent in these organisms. The mesenchymal or the parenchymal fluid maintains the form of the body. Through the turgidity of this fluid, this mesenchymal and parenchymal fluid, it maintains the form of the body of these animals, and this is known as the hydroskeleton. The animals respire through their general body surface, and in anaerobic respiration it is performed by the tinea. Tinea is an internal parasite. The digestive system is incomplete. There is only a single opening, so they follow the blind sac plan, and digestive system is reduced or it is sometimes absent in parasitic forms like tinea. Excretory organs are the protonephridia and the flame cells. These flame cells are also known as the solenocytes. They also help in the osmoregulation. Nervous system in these animals is ladder-like, and sense organs occur in the free-living form, example planaria. So this figure, you can see here that these solenocytes, protonephridia or the flame cells are shown. A distinct excretory system is shown in the body of a planaria. This is an example of planaria. So you can see that numerous nephridiophores and tubules connecting one or more flame cells are also present. So this insect shows the flame bulb, and there is a nephridiophore which opens onto the body wall, and there is a tubule. So in these flame cells, the enlarged view of flame cells shows a nucleus of cap cell, and inside that there are a large number of cilia are present. So interstitial fluid is filtered through these flame cells. So students, in this part we discussed about all the general characters that are present in the phylum Platyhelminthes or flatworms, like about their body structure, excretory system, respiratory system and circulatory system. But in the next part, we'll be moving on towards the discussion about the reproduction that takes place in the Platyhelminthes and also some of the examples that are present in the Platyhelminthes. So stay tuned.